I want to speak about micro entrepreneurship at the bottom of the pyramid because they constitute about 30% of our population and have been working in the area of self-help groups for nearly 28 years now. So to set the context, SHGs provide a wonderful platform for women's empowerment, but why should we focus on self-help groups? We have a growth rate which is impressive, around 7%, and India is becoming a global dominant player even in political issues. Recently we saw a lot of foreign ministers walking into India and having consultations here. But if you talk about the Human Development Index, it is 131 out of 189. And gender indices is also, we have a long way to catch up. We are in the 130th place out of 140 countries who participate in the Gender Inequalities Index. And in terms of differential income, fall in sex ratio, domestic violence, political participation, we have a long way to go. Jayashree ma'am spoke about 33% reservation. It has done a lot of good, and even in terms of having a women director in the board, now at least one director is there. But when I look at companies in Netherlands, Finland, Sweden, they have a minimum of 3 women directors. They feel they are able to network and contribute better because there are more women directors. I think policies should evolve to promote more women directors. And one thing impressed me about Netherlands, every Saturday, Sunday, during the weekends, they identify people from tech who can be groomed as a board of director, and they offer training programs. I think there are a lot of opportunities for women to get into the boards. So speaking about self-help groups, India has reported, as per the NABARD's report 2021, about 97 lakh self-help groups are there with women. And basically, hand in hand, we have formed nearly 2.45 lakh self-help groups across India in 16 states. We started our operations in TN, and we have managed to contextualize the model according to the human development indices of each state. It has been a very rewarding experience because basically we follow a 4-pronged approach. Social mobilization, because especially when it comes to poor illiterate women, as a group they gain a lot of strength and confidence. So we invest a lot of time in social mobilization, forming them into self-help groups. And basically I'm an old-timer, believe in focus on savings-led self-help groups because that mitigates a lot of risks for these vulnerable section of the society. And training and capacity building is definitely necessary in a country like ours where we still have a sizable portion who are illiterate. So training on group management, functional literacy, financial education, digital literacy becomes very, very important. What has made our self-help groups self-reliant are 2 important factors. One is the enterprise and the skill training. We partnered with IIT Madras to offer business coaching to the entrepreneurs. Initial years, they used to run businesses with a turnover of 50,000. Now we have more than 5 lakh people who have invested something around 5 lakh to 10 lakhs. So with business coaching, they are able to employ others, and the quantum of investment also moves up. They become micro entrepreneurs. I think that is the way our country should progress. First start off with individuals with family-based enterprises, slowly graduate them into micro entrepreneurs, and SME is the growth engine of any country. And access to credit linkage is very important. Here, MFIs and NGOs have played a very critical role in linking the women with the banks, with MFIs, because government institutions offer a lot of credit support, but to make it available for the poor people at the last mile, that somebody is required, and the MFIs act as a catalyst.